And next is Gemini. Gemini may major Gemini is where Uranus, the revolutionary planet, the planet of technology, the planet of changes, no, will be in that sign, you know. So on the positive side, it means mas magiging matalino sila, or mas magiging charismatic, no, because of that intelligence that they will be showing, no. So for Gemini, it's going to be very busy here. So make the most of that, no. Number one nga, from the intelligence, charisma, and then
Bakit para may violent
opportunities.
reaction?
Oo,
Kuya
bakit,
Joey?
bakit
Ako
ka
yan eh.
nagre-react?
Hindi, pero bakit ka nag-reaction? Very busy. Ayaw mo ba nun?
Gemini. Oo.
Ako Gemini
Nagre-react.
Cancer eh.
Ako,
Okay.
gusto ko na maging busy kesa hindi maging busy.
Correct, kesa nga nga.
Oo,
Tama
oo,
naman.
Oo.
Yeah, it follows, no, kung may opportunity, grab it. Kaya kailangan maging masipag din.